What is your name?
Yeah, Rahul.
Where are you from?
Gujarat.
What do you do?
I do study, and I do study in computer science.
Okay. But after finish your study, what you want to do?
Yeah, I come to Bangalore, brother.
What will you do with? What will you do to come to in Bangalore?
Software engineer.
Software engineer.
Yep.
Oh my god. Do you know that how to go software engineer?
How to become a software engineer?
No, no. It means that how to go to be software engineer. How to be.
Okay, yeah. So you have to learn a lot of programming.
Suppose your brother who is uh, under 12, suppose 10, class 10. So in case your brother asks you, I want to be a software engineer, how will you explain him step way? Otherwise he will not understand.
Yep. So I will tell him to first choose one programming language, like start a basic topic, like how does this work, this programming language and stuff. There is a lot of tutorials, editorials, YouTube videos available on YouTube everywhere.
How, how much study need to be there?
How much years need to study there?
No, class. Suppose education. How much education need? Suppose your brother is class 10, so now he can eligible to get this job to be software engineering.
Software engineer don't need a degree.
Okay, then it means after finish.
If you are in 6th grade, you can become a software engineer if you have enough skill.
Okay, which are the skill need?
I told you programming, a lot of programming data. You have to be very good at problem solving. You have to think optimally, like you have to think on one problem from multiple ways. How can I solve this in multiple ways? Like if this way not work, then how can I use the other way to be solve this problem?
Oh my god! Actually, I'm not.
That's not too much difficult. If you get in the stuff, it will be easy. It will become easy as you get used to it. This part.
What to learn actually? Like, what to learn? If you break it to explain more, I'm not understanding inside what are inside. But if you break it to show me properly way how to be a software engineering.
No. You now at the point you don't think you want to become a software engineer. Just think about you want to learn a programming language, one programming language, and pick C and C++. You heard of it like C language ever?
Yes, I had because maximum lot of days before I learned little bit about the what freelancing something. So that time I learned, but I heard it, but I didn't know properly way.
So just go on YouTube and watch about C programming language, how this thing works, how to install in computer, right? And gradually learn. Don't rush too much. If you're not getting this topic, no problem. Try again. Gradually you will master this thing. It's not hard. It's just about the practice.
Practice.
More you practice, as you become good at it. It's just like a data structure and a lot of algorithm, lot of things involved in this part, like which I involved in this course. But if you take a C and C++, it will hardly take 2 to 3 months to complete the course.
Can you say something about your own language in Gujarati?
Can you?
Suppose I am asking some question. Okay, what is your name?
My name Rahul. What is your name? तो सिर्फ ऐसे कहते हैं Rahul.
Yes,
Ask me something.
same question. You will translate the question. What is your name?
તમારું નામ શું છે?
I am fine.
હું સરસ છું.
Oh my god, very dangerous to understand. I'm not understanding, but it's good, sound good.
Yeah, Gujarati sound very good. Like they sound very sweet. That people, a lot of people told me that till I spoke to them.
Anything else do you do? Anything else do you do?
Nothing do. I do programming daily. I just do code, eat, repeat, sleep and repeat. That's 4 things in my life happening right now, as you can see. I do also watch a lot of movies. I just watch House of Dragon.
What do you do when you get free?
I do play cricket and then chilling around with my boys, my friends.
You are fantastic. How old are you?
Yeah, thank you.
How old are you?
21.
21?
Yep.
Oh my god.
How do I will look?
It's okay. It's okay. It's near 21 to 24 between. But you, as you told that 21.
Yeah, just one guy told me that I do look 18.
18?
Yep.
18% people don't like this, but even confident also will be a little bit down.
Yes. No, that guy told me that I do look like 18. I'm 21, by the way.
Is it your own room?
Is it my room? I think we have 3 rooms. Like it's not like owning the rooms, but anybody can roam around it. It's the late night, that's why you can see other number of people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you doing study, but why are you not sleeping?
I just completed my few algorithms. I just doing programming and I thought let's be on this application. So I just here. I'm not thinking about to go to sleep around half an hour. Like you have to get to use it, right? You can't sleep directly.
So as you want to be a software engineer, so how much salary will you expect?
I'm expecting 15 to 20 lakhs around package per annum.
Sorry, for years?
Per annum. 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum.
What is it? Annum?
Per year.
Per year, yes. Per year, 50 to 60 lakh.
No, 20 lakhs.
50 to 20?
15.
Okay, 15.
15 to 20.
Okay, 15 to 20. So, if I calculate in a month, how much it will be?
1 lakh into 15,000 something.
Oh my.
15, 20.
Then
I didn't pass any interview, bro. I'm just guessing that's my expectation to get. I'm just trying to be right software engineer. I don't know what I'll be in next year or what, but I'm just guessing the rent. I'm taking just random guess.
Yes, in this day actually 40 maximum 30 to 50,000 need in a month to live in city because yes. What do you think?
You want me? Yeah, that's right. So you want to be a software engineer?
No, actually, I'm working at a restaurant and I make food. And so, as I have already a professional, so just I don't have a knowledge on this job. So that's why, as you know, that I was continue asking to know a little bit more about it.
Sure, you should be aware of the thing. So you make a food, right?
Yes.
You make a delicious. I mean, you make a continental dishes or like
Con- con-
regional.
continental dishes.
So you're chef, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, you make delicious dishes.
But salary is very less in this day. I want to be like if I get 30,000 in a month, it would be better for me. But no, oh my God, it's very tough.
Yeah, that used to happen.
If would it my own business, then I can do it. I could do
And you,
it.
yep, and you should start here to think about it. Some business entrepreneurship.
Yes,
That's,
I want to start a business, but let's see what
yeah,
will happen.
yeah, you can be an entrepreneur. You like yeah, like McDonald's. You can open your multiple chains. Like in one in Gujarat, one in Haryana, one in Punjab, one in Bangalore, one in Chennai.
Let's see that I don't know because of because of the need a lot of money to start it and a lot of confidence because sometime if I start it can be down. Right? So
Yeah.
all thing have to know.
So you have to take a calculated risk.
Yes.
Oh, I'm thinking about to go to bed right now. You wanna ask something else? You sound very good person by the.
Okay.
What's your name? I think I didn't ask your name, right? I didn't know.
Yes.
What's your name?
Yes. My name is Sanjay.
Sanjay. And I think you born in Bangalore or
No,
from
I am originally from West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yes.
Okay. And then move to the Bangalore.
Yeah, then I moved. Still in
That's it.
Bangalore. Still in Bangalore, I have been in 5 years. Over 5 years.
Okay. Okay. So you understand they speak their language, their regional or people.
In Bangalore.
Yep.
Some word, some thing I can understand, but as usually, here is speaking Hindi language and English language. So there is no need to know their own language.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. They also speak English, right? If they don't speak other like Hindi and stuff.
Hindi is most of the people are speaking Hindi, so they also speaking Hindi. Those who, if I speak with them in Kannada, their native language, they also will speak with me.
Okay,
If I
okay.
speak with them Hindi, they also speak with me Hindi. That's how we live in Bangalore.
Yeah.
How are you using this application with a phone or with a computer?
I've been using with the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't have my like PC camera, webcam come up with the PC. I don't buy it. Instead, I used to have graphics card. I chose graphics card to play a lot of games.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I this. Even if I attach my phone with the computer and use phone camera, people thinking that I'm a YouTuber
Okay. Yes,
and
yes.
they are keep skipping me. I have to use that with the headphones. So they thought that I'm a YouTuber and they keep skipping me. Nobody talk to me. Even
Yes,
guys still skipping me. Everybody like
yes. And there are a lot of social media have in our culture in this day. Which social media do you like to use?
I use Snapchat.
Anything else?
I don't use Instagram is just like hell right now. It just state content around Omegle. I mean, sorry, not Omegle. Instagram.
Which content?
I don't use really Instagram. When the Facebook didn't acquire the Instagram, that time Insta was cool. But nowadays it's I don't use. I don't like.
Okay. Okay. Then your friend, with how do you connect with your friend? Lot of friend you have.
Like if you have like Instagram ID, there is thing exists called Snapchat ID. If you share with someone, you can add that guy up.
Okay. So today was Saturday. Today was Saturday. Yes.
Yeah,
So
Saturday.
now Sunday. This is, we can say that Sunday, but in whole day, where were you in your whole Saturday?
I didn't go outside. Like I just wake up at 11 a.m.
Okay.
Then I take a bath and stuff, and I just eat food, and I'll done a lot of programming. Then and I end up being frustrated because I'm not able to solve a lot of problems now. I'm facing a lot of issues in programming. So I end up being frustrated, and I play a game, cricket, Don Bradman, and yeah, that's how I spend my day. And then I started programming. Then I had a dinner. Not again though. I had a dinner, and then I just be on Omega again.
Okay. So what do you say that what is your qualification?
I've done a diploma.
Are you confused?
No, diploma. I'm going to say degree, but I'm going to.
Okay, thank you so much for talking with me for a long time, and see you another in the world.
My place.
Okay, bye.